It'd be an unbelievable achievement for us, especially getting past at that point would be 3 established Welsh Premier League teams, and obviously these are the current holders. I'm Dean Wheeler, first team manager of Caerau Ely Football Club.
Named League Manager of the Year last season, a good recognition of the club's achievements.
Yeah, look, it was a fantastic achievement for myself, and it was a reflection of the hard work and dedication and teamwork that doesn't just come from me, but all of the staff and everyone involved in the club, from the volunteers right the way through. For us as a club, returning to the JD Cymru South and finishing 5th was an excellent achievement. It was an honour, but I'm the face of what is a team sort of effort.
My name's Jack Ashford. I'm the captain of Caerau Ely, born and bred in Caerau Ely as well. We're essentially a very community-based club, and I think that sort of shows in the way we play and how passionate me and my teammates are to play for Caerau Ely.
Enw fi yw Jack Davis. Dal yn clwb ifanc, mae rhai o'r boys 18, 19. Gyd o'r boys yn dod trwy arf schools. Mae tua 8 ni nawr. Rhai o'r un ysgol, so 3 yn o Glan Taf. So yeah, clwb ifanc, ni gyda couple o boys hen, gyda bach o profiad yn y tîm sydd ni angen. Tom McLean, ni gyd yn galw yn Uncle Tom. Fe yw'r hynach yn y tîm, so mae'n edrych ar ôl pawb.
So fi yw Tom McLean, chwarae canol Quay. Mae bechyn yn... Wel, enw fi yn y clwb yw Uncle Maca. Mae'n anodd i bechgyn ifanc chwarae yn y lig hyn, ond mae'r clwb yn... Mae'n neud e'n gwahanol i clwbau arall, ac rwy'n meddwl mae'r bechgyn yn dangos beth ni'n gallu neud, especially season diwethaf. Obviously a couple of older boys fel myself, and yeah, and dangos ni beth I neud.
We're very much of an ethos of bringing young players in, developing them. Obviously we haven't got the budgets of some of the other teams in the league and the league above, so for us it's important that we invest that time in individuals and build relationships and try and develop them on the training pitch and as a collective.
Obviously the cup is always a great thing to play in, the JD Welsh Cup. Get the chance to play against Welsh Prem teams, which is not something we get to do often obviously in this league. But yeah, it's just another opportunity for us to sort of showcase what we can do and showcase how we play.
Game gyntaf yn erbyn Barry, bach o underdogs, mynd lawr I Barry. Fel arfer ni chwarae'r gwair, especially yn y Cymru South, sy'n llawer o teams gyda 3G. So pan o'n i'n mynd lawr nawr, pawb fel, oh, it's quite nice, ar 3G, y pe yn popio'n o gwmpas neitha neis, dim fel y bobl ni gyda fel arfer. Ni'n credu bod ni'n gweithio'n galed, mynd lawr 3 waith, dod nôl 3 o penalties.
A ni'n pretty hyderus, o'n i wedi cael kick yn y game yn y 90 minutes. Oedd e ddim yn normal, ond yeah, just sefyll lan, and o'n i'n gwybod ble fi'n mynd, a felly o'n i just I pen dros y pêl a yeah, taro fe.
Neis I bod adref yn erbyn Bala, pawb yn gallu dod lawr I gwylio. O'n nhw'n tîm physical iawn, gryf iawn, ond fi'n credu dathon ni, we held our own at times, dath Charlie Lewis allan gyda'r gol gwych last minute o'r game.
It was nice to see that we were battling with Bala physically, as well as trying to play technically as well. When Charlie burst through on that blinding run and he slotted away, it was a great feeling, yeah. And obviously the celebrations matched that, yeah, it was great.
Yeah, really proud, obviously, moment of first time for the club to be playing live on TV. We've beaten 2 really strong Welsh Premier League teams, and on both occasions I thought we thoroughly deserved it. Yes, we've had to have a little bit of luck and show resilience, especially against Barry, coming from down 3 times. They've got a lot of high quality players for us. We just got to focus on ourselves, just got to make sure that we work hard on the day together, make sure we're compact, make sure as a team we work in tandem. And then again, similar to the other games against Welsh Prem teams, when those opportunities arise for us, we just got to be clinical in those moments.
Ni'n just mynd I enjoyo fe. Dim pwysau arno ni, maen nhw yn y holders o'r cwpan, felly mae rhaid I nhw dod lawr o fan hyn a dangos beth nhw amdana, am byddwn ni yma yn barod I nhw.
It could be a bit of a shock. Mae'n gobeithio bod bach o sioc. Mae'n allan fel dangos pobl be ni actually gallu neud fel clwb. Gobeithio bydd ni gyda rhai o'r boys ifanc sy'n dod i'r games nawr. Ni'n galw bach o the ultras. Bod nhw'n cyndo lawr and ni galla bach o soon.
It won't be nice, and I'm sure they won't enjoy it. I don't think they'll enjoy the pitch. Saying that, I'm sure they'll try to play their way as well.
I wneud e gyda'r clwb a y bechgyn yn y dressing room. Ni'n ffrindiau ar y cae, off y cae. Ac yeah, fi'n credu mae'n meddwl mwy pan chi'n wneud e fel hwnna.
Wouldn't it be lovely for a team, especially for us as well? There's not many Welsh Prem teams left back in the competition as well, so we've got every chance if we can ride a little bit of luck on the day and execute our game plan, that anything's possible.